Today we will discuss about the meta-aramid fibers versus para-aramid fibers. What are the key differences, manufacturing of meta-aramid and para-aramid fibers, physical properties difference, tensile properties, chemical properties, and end-use applications. First key difference is meta-aramid has semi-crystalline molecular structure, while on the other hand, para-aramid is a crystalline. And second, for example, meta-aramid, Nomex is considered as meta-aramid, and Kevlar is an example of para-aramid fiber. Manufacturing difference of meta-aramid and para-aramid fibers. Meta-aramid fibers are typically produced through polymerization of meta-phenylene, diamine, and isophenol chlorides, while para-aramid fibers are manufactured by polymerization of para phenylene, diamine, and terephthalate chloride. So the difference during the manufacturing or the manufacturing process is meta is polymerization of isophthalate chloride, while para is terephthalate chloride. The physical properties, meta-aramid has good resistance to heat, flame, and chemical, but they are not as strong as para-aramid fibers. Para-aramid fibers are known for their exceptional strength, high modulus, and excellent resistance to abrasion and impact. Tensile properties of meta and para-aramid. Meta-aramid has good tensile and strength and modulus, while para-aramid have higher tensile strength modulus compared to meta-aramid fibers. This makes them ideal for application requiring high tensile strength and durability. So para-aramid has greater strength as compared to meta-aramid. Chemical properties. The difference among chemical properties is both meta-aramid and para-aramid have good chemical resistance, but the para-aramid fibers are typically exhibit better resistance to organic solvents and acids. So para-aramid has greater resistance properties as compared to meta-aramid. End use applications. Meta-aramid fibers are commonly used in flame resistance, clothing, filtration fabrics, protective gloves due to their flame retardant properties. While on the other hand, meta-aramid fibers are extensively used in ballistic protection such as bulletproof vests, aerospace components, automotive parts, ropes, and high performance composite materials where strength and durability is critical. So the meta-aramid are heat resistant related applications while the para-aramids have good tensile strength and durability related applications. These were the difference of meta-aramid and para-aramid. Thank you.